Bana. Question. How do I write bana? Is it like this or
Maksura, yeah.
like this?
No, first one.
Yes, the first one. Why? How do you know?
Um, because I know.
Because you know the word. Okay. So there is actually a spelling rule for this. Okay. The spelling rule is, okay, I'm gonna talk about this. Hold on. Those of you who were in yesterday's class, I changed a bit. Maybe I changed a bit, inshallah. Okay. So where basically this spelling rule is for writing alif at the end of words. Be it fi'il or ism, they have the same rule. Okay. What's the rule? The rule is, you see, if the word is a 3-letter word or a 4-letter word or more. Okay. The word itself. Okay. The word itself. This is 1, 2, 3 letters. This is 4 letters. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Okay, like that. Okay. So if
Mm-hmm.
it's a 3-letter word, okay, and the alif that you want to write is originally a waw, you will write
Mm-hmm.
it with a standing alif. So that's why da'a, we write with alif. Just now we saw Tala Kitab, he read the book, right? Tala also standing alif. Okay, not alif
Mm-hmm.
maksura. Okay, so these are all fi'il, da'a, sama, dana. This is all waw ending. If it's not a
Mm-hmm.
waw ending, if it's originally a ya, then it would be alif maksura. Sa'a, aso, hada. Okay, all this is fi'il and ya, originally a ya, so you write it with alif maksura. Same with an ism. So aso, ula, puto, these are all waw basically. So if you ever want to search for the word aso, you search for ain sod waw, not ain sod ya basically. Okay, this is
Mm-hmm.
hudan, fatan, ghinan. Okay, this is all ya. Sorry, this is all originally ya. So it's written with alif maksura. Okay.
So both of them Alif. One is Alif Maksura and another one is Alif, standing Alif.
Yes, correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Technically, in Arabic, they also call this maksura, but yes. So to make it different, we say standing alif for this. We say alif maksura for this because everyone use alif maksura for this, especially in tajwid class. Yes. So
Mm-hmm.
yes. Okay. The big alif and the maksura alif, the short alif. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And
Maksura means small Alif, isn't it? Small
uh,
Alif.
maksura means actually short alif, basically. Okay. So why it's called alif maksura is because it shortens the word. It's supposed to be da'awa, it becomes da'a. Sa'aya, it becomes sa'a. So that's why both is called alif maksura because it shortens the word. You see? But
Mm-hmm.
uh, so in our vernacular, we always call alif maksura the ya without dots. That is alif maksura. Right? In our tajwid vernacular, we call the ya without dots alif maksura. Right? But
Mm-hmm.
in Arabic, technically, this is also alif maksura, all the standing one. Okay, so that's why I still say this is standing alif, just to make sure that we are all at the same page. Okay, everyone?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
If the word have 4 letters or more, okay, then it will always end with alif maksura. So this is the mudari of sa'a. Sa'a, yas'a, family 1, okay? But yas'a
Mm-hmm.
is 4 letter, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So when
Mm-hmm.
you want to write this one, you always write with alif maksura. That doesn't matter if the root letters is waw or ya, doesn't matter. Once it is 4 letters or more, it will be alif maksura. Okay, yas'a, tawalla, this is madi, family 5. Istafa, madi, family 8. Okay? Same things with
Mm-hmm.
ism. This is adana. This is ism tafdil from dal nun wow here. Adana. Okay, dana. The ism tafdil
Mm-hmm.
is adana. Not written with alif, but written with alif maksura. Okay, kubra. This is feminine ism tafdil from akbar. Akbar kubra. Mustafa.
Mm-hmm.
This is your ism maf'ul of this word Mustafa. Okay, so always end with alif maksura for words that have 4 letters or more. Unless before that alif that you want to write, the second last letter is a ya. So ya, then alif. Ya, then alif standing. Ya, this is all fi'il. This is mudhari, this is madi. So alif standing because there's a ya before it. Okay? For isms also the same. For ya, you have ya, so alif standing. Dunya, this is the feminine version of adana. So kubra, alif maksura. Dunya, not alif maksura. Alif, standing alif. You know this, right? But now you know the rule. What is exactly the rule? Ulya, another one. Okay, a'la, feminine. Ulya, dunya, alif, standing alif. Khotoya, standing alif. Can everyone?
Because of yeah.
Yes, because the second last letter is a ya, so the alif, not alif maksura. You don't write ya and alif maksura together. Okay? Yes, Sister Saima, you have a question?
Yes. So over here by letters, it is not meant that these are the root letters because yes,
No,
the root
yes.
letters are only three.
Yes, this is not talking about root letters, this is talking about the letters in the word itself. How many letters the word have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. Not about the root letter. Root letter is short, far, and wow. Okay?
How we will come to know, like, for example, kubra. So for me, like kaf, bara, these are the
Yes.
three letters, right?
Yes.
So I have to write one. Okay. So the last letter will be also counted. Wow and ya will also be counted.
Yes.
And that's how it will become more than three.
Yes, correct.
And in case of the four letters, the red box of the fail.
Yes.
So no, not the adjacent one. Yeah, this one. So in this one, we have to see the root letter because this ya, this is of mudare of Yahya. The first ya is of mudare. Ha is the first root word.
Yes.
Letter, sorry. And the ya, this ya, it is the second root letter.
Yes.
So if the second root letter is ya, then we will have a standing alif.
Okay, don't think about like that. Basically, the root letter is ha, ya, ya. Okay? I think you don't have to think about what's the root letter if you are writing the word. Okay? You don't have to think about what's the root letter unless you're doing the 3-letter words. Then you think about the root letter. Okay? Means that whenever you want to write alif, right? If you're writing a word that has only 3 letters, then you have to think about, is it wow? If it's wow, then you put it into alif. Whether it's a fi'il or ism. Otherwise, everything else you write with alif maksura. Whether it's a 3-letter ya or 4-letter word, it's always going to be alif maksura. And then, unless you come to this rule, you see your second last letter is a ya, then you put an alif. You don't have to think about what's really actually the root letter. Say yes, it's a ya. Okay, but it doesn't matter if it's a ya or wow. You want to write, you're going to write an alif there. But the question is, am I supposed to write a standing alif or alif maksura? So you're writing, like, for example, ya. Oops, sorry. Ya. Do I write it like this, or do I write it? Oh, sorry, cannot see. Or do I write it? Yeah, like this. Okay, so the rule is, since the second last letter is with ya, okay, the second last letter is a ya, so the alif that you're gonna write will be a standing alif, not this. Okay, I know you're gonna say, isn't this the name of Yahya? Yes, that's exception. Oh, sorry, that's exception.
That's an exception. Okay.
Yes, okay. Can, inshallah, everyone got it?
Sister, can you again go back there at the 3 letters? Yeah, you said that is for the 4 letters, like yes, yeah, yes, that is we don't care that it's wow or yeah.
Correct.
Always it's alif maksura, right?
Correct.
But yeah, the
Yeah,
it's
the
a
O
wow.
is not in this discussion, because yeah, the O, how you write yeah, the O?
Yeah.
Yada.
Yada.
Oh,
Yeah.
right. We're not writing alif,
Yeah.
right? We're
Yeah.
writing wow.
So yeah, so root letter is wow. And here is not, you said that root letter is not factor. But here root letter is come, right?
This
Wow,
is
not
talking
yeah,
about
alif.
writing alif, not about writing wow. I'm talking about if you want to write bana, should I write it like this? Or you want to write alif, right? After the nun fathah. So do I
Yeah.
write it with alif maksura or alif standing alif?
Yeah,
We are talking
that's
about
right.
this
Yeah.
one, not this one. We're not talking about writing wow,
Yeah.
correct?
Okay.
So this
Okay.
is not in the discussion. We're not talking about this at all.
Okay.
Okay?
It
Okay.
means
I am confused because
it
you,
means
yeah, you,
Hold on.
because
it means
you said
it
that,
means
Hold on. Yes, Sister Rashida. Yes, Sister Diba.
yeah, because you said that da, there is because wow, root letter, then that was for the three letter I see there, da. So that's one, then the root letter becomes alif, right?
Okay,
I like them, sorry.
so the word is
Da,
da'awa,
yeah,
right?
it's become da, yeah.
Yes. So why? Because the rule is that there is a weak there's a weak letter here, and before it is a fathah. Okay.
Yeah,
So you're gonna write this as an alif. But what kind of alif? Standing alif or alif maksura? Standing alif.
standing alif.
Why?
Yeah.
Because it's originally wow. You can say
Wow.
about this. This is actually banaya. Same thing.
Yeah,
Weak letter. Before it is a fathah. So you're going to change this to an alif. This is actually the saf rule here that's going on. But the question again is, do you write it with alif maksura or standing
maksud,
alif?
yeah.
It's maksura because it's originally banaya, not banawa. Understand?
Yeah, yeah, because there is three. But when four, like when mudari, then yeah, add yeah, that is become four. Then you say that it's not factor.
Yes.
That's why
So
that
it's
said
actually
yeah.
yes, yeah, right? Yes,
Yeah,
yeah. Okay. So here, do we write with alif maksura or standing alif?
alif maksura.
Yes, because
Because you said that always alif maksura. But
yes,
that's why I called question that
exactly,
yeah, yeah,
exactly. But if it was yes, wa, for example, there's no such root letter like this. But if it was, well, how do we write
then
this?
yes, ow.
No,
Then wow.
no. This
Yeah.
is still four letters, right? Yeah, sin, ain, wow, still four letters.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah,
that
so
that
it's
time alif maksura.
still like this. Yes. So don't think about this word.
Okay.
This word doesn't exist. Okay, we don't this word doesn't exist. The word that exists maybe is what's the word with ending with wow? Uh we have dal nun wow and Masjid Fihi, family 5 maybe. Hold on. Family 5, yes. Okay. Family 5, da nun wow. This is our root letters, okay? Da nun wow. Family 5, ta,
Alamat danwa. Tadanna.
dan, na, wa.
Alif maksura. Yeah.
So, how do you write this? Wow. We're going to write
Yeah, that's
alif.
alif maksura.
Yes, always alif maksura. See, that's why I say, doesn't matter whether it's wow or ya. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay?
Sister, can you please also write the Mudare version of da?
Yada'un.
Mm.
Da. Yada'un. We're not writing alif at all. So, we're not talking about this.
No, what I meant to say, it's like in its original, like it is yansuru, na?
Yada'u.
So it will be like yad uvu.
Yes,
Like
the original version, yes.
I think the sister confusion was ki these are 4 words, 4 letters, sorry.
Yes.
So 4 letters, so then that means alif maksura.
No, okay. But
Yeah.
you don't put this
That's
into
time.
alif
Yeah.
because
That's
there's
time,
fathah
sister.
here.
No, sister, I'm thinking that is the Dhamma, that's why wow. But the Tadanna, that's Fatha, so Alif Maksura, right?
Yes, you're right. So that's why this is not in the discussion. So that's why the discussion is
Okay,
about whether it's bana like this or bana
okay,
like this. It's the same, right? When you say it, it sounds exactly the same. But when you write, do
okay,
you write with alif maksura or standing alif? This is the discussion, not this.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay?
Very good.
Clear?
Okay, okay, okay.
Any other question? Sister Asma, got it? Inshallah?
Got it.
Okay. Any other questions here? Okay. And the last thing for that, the notes is, sorry, so who was asking about the last one? Did I answer your question?
Yes, sister. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, yes. Oh, yes, Sister Saima. Yes, okay. The last thing is, there's a note. All non-Arabic nouns are written with standing alif. Okay, so Zakaria, Asia, Asia is Asia, Uruba, Europe, Amerika, Australia, Ifriqiya, okay, as in America, Australia, Africa, okay. Even if it's someone's name like Rebecca, Monica, right? If it's a non-Arabic name, you're gonna write it with alif, standing alif, okay? Except for the following six: Musa, Isa, Bukhara, Kisra, Mata. This is a name, not Mata as in when. And Al-Musiqa. Okay, always with alif maksura here. Okay, Yahya is different. Yahya is an exception, or really, it's not really an exception, because Yahya is an Arabic name basically. As in, you can argue that it's an Arabic name. You can argue that, as in, it could be possible to write that in Arabic because we have the word Ahya Yahya basically. Okay, so Musa, Isa, this one is clearly non-Arabic. Okay, so this is exception to this rule. Any question? Everyone okay? Inshallah? Okay.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
So you can whip out these notes whenever you want to write alif, if you need to. I think it's quite easy if you just think of only write alif when it's a wow ending, or originally a wow ending, or before it is ya. Otherwise, it's always going to be alif maksura. Okay? Yes. So